Hello everyone, it's lovely to have you here. I wanted to share with you, I bought this bead kit from a craft shop here in the UK and it was only £3.99. Obviously it's for Halloween and I think it was an absolute bargain. Obviously you've got your Halloween colours. It did come with black elastic as well, but for the tutorial I'm going to do today I can't use it because it's elasticated, and I'm going to make a bracelet. This is called the ladder stitch, so I thought I would teach you this today and also make a Halloween bracelet. Please subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewelry beginner. So I am going to be using this cotton cord today, which is waxed. It's not stretchy and it's 1.5mm. I do have a website where you'll find handmade jewelry, craft and jewelry supplies. I'll link that for you below, where you can buy most of these products from me. Now I do have pony beads, but I don't have this actual set. So they're mostly pony beads. These are pumpkin beads. So we'll be making something else, like a necklace, bracelets, and then we've got these round black beads. And these are like eyes, googly eyes. So let's get on with the bracelet I'm going to make today. Now you need to measure your wrist, and the average wrist size for a bracelet is 7 inches. So you need to times that by 5, so that makes it 35 inches. I know it sounds an awful lot, but we do have to keep going in and out the beads. Okay, so we take this and we take our first colour. So the first colour, I'm just going to do the orange, and we thread on 3 orange pony beads. We take those down to the centre of our strands. So we now take another colour, so I'll do yellow this time. So we thread on 3 yellow pony beads. Then we take the other end and we thread them back through those pony beads, and then we pull. Now I know there's a bend in them at the moment, but don't worry, as you go on making the bracelet you won't have the bend. So then we take green, thread 3 green, then we take this side and we're going to go back through the 3 green beads and then pull together. Okay, I don't think these will, we can't use these because the hole isn't big enough, because we have to go back through at one point the beads, so we use those for something else. So 3 orange, long as your ends will be roughly the same. I'll concentrate on this side now. Yellow. Yellow. Thread it through. If it starts to fray, you can just cut the ends off, or if you've got a lighter, you can, just like with macrame, you can burn the ends. It's green. Take 3 green. If you wanted to, you can make a key ring. I would show you, but it's currently in the door. But if you take a look, you can see the pattern. What's next? Orange again. So this is called the ladder stitch. And then we're going to go back to the very first one and thread the cord through. That's why we didn't want to use cord that was too thick, because it would never go back through again. And then what we're going to do, a surgeon's knot. So I'm going to go over twice. Pull together. Then we'll do one the other way. Now you can either do one for luck or add a bit of glue. I always do one for luck. And snip off the ends. You can see the pattern. Obviously this, I've just done this small just as a tutorial. It's not to fit me. So thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting. Keep an eye out for the other Halloween videos I'm going to do.